Hey, Jake, it's great to see you. How's your English learning going?
Hey, Alice. To be honest, I've been struggling a bit. I started off strong, but now I find it hard to keep up the momentum.
I totally understand. It can be tough to maintain that habit. What do you think is the biggest challenge for you?
I think it's mainly time management. With work and other commitments, I often find myself putting English practice on the back burner.
That's a common issue. Have you tried setting specific goals or a schedule for your learning?
I have, but I find it hard to stick to it. Some days I just forget, and then I feel guilty about it.
It's important to be kind to yourself. Maybe start with smaller, more manageable goals. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference.
That's a good point. I guess I'm trying to do too much at once. I want to improve my speaking, writing, and vocabulary all at the same time.
It's great to be ambitious, but breaking it down can help. For instance, you could focus on speaking one week and then switch to writing the next.
I like that idea. How do you stay motivated to learn?
For me, it's all about finding enjoyable ways to practice. I watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and read books that interest me.
That sounds fun. I usually just do grammar exercises, which can feel boring after a while.
Mixing it up is key. You could try joining a language exchange or conversation group. Speaking with others makes it more engaging and social.
That's a good suggestion. I've heard about language exchanges but haven't looked into it yet. Are they easy to find?
Yes. There are plenty of apps and websites where you can connect with people who want to learn your language while helping you with English.
I'll have to give that a shot. I think practicing with others would really help my confidence.
Definitely. And don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Keeping a journal of your learning journey can help with that.
That's a nice idea. I could write down new words I learn and the phrases I practice. It would show me how far I've come.
Exactly. Plus, reflecting on your progress can be really motivating. You'll see that your efforts are paying off.
You've given me some great ideas, Alice. I think I'll try setting a daily timer for 15 minutes of English practice and see how it goes.
That sounds like a solid plan. Just remember, it's okay to have off days. The important thing is to keep coming back to it.
Thanks for the encouragement. I really appreciate it. I've been feeling a bit discouraged lately, so this helps.
No problem at all. We all go through ups and downs in our learning journeys. How about we practice together sometime? We could do a language exchange.
I'd love that. Practicing with a friend would make it so much easier and more fun.
Great. Let's set a time to meet regularly. We can motivate each other and share tips.
Sounds perfect. I'll look into some language exchange opportunities and let you know.
Awesome. I'm excited to see how much we both improve. Remember, consistency is key.
I will. Thanks, Alice. I feel more motivated now. Here's to building better habits together.
Cheers to that. Let's keep pushing each other to reach our goals.